Okay, out a monster truck rally said, it's really about this race. I'll show you some of the safety crews out here. Here's some of the monster trucks. Team Hot Wheels, Backwards Bob, Grave Digger, Superman, Downey Hunter, The Incredible Hulk, number 3, Grave Digger, Maximum Destruction, and Captain's Curse. First up are Team Hot Wheels, Captain's Curse. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, let's see here. Do that one again. And next one, blue wins. 3. That's going to go down to it. Captain's Curse. 3, 2, 1, go. Captain's Curse wins. Okay, eliminated. He'll go up to the semifinals. Next is Grave Digger and Bounty Hunter. Grave Digger won. Next up is number 3 and Grave Digger. Wait, that's it. Ooh, Grave Digger disqualified. Number 3 wins. Let's see, Backwards Bob and Maximum Destruction. Backwards Bob wins. And the two superheroes. The Incredible Hulk and Superman. Ooh, let's do that again. How about we do like the trucks again going down. Ooh, that's a tie. Man, these trucks are furious. Sorry. Ooh, that didn't count. Ooh, crash on the side. The drivers are okay. And the Incredible Hulk wins. Next up that was lost is Superman, Maximum Destruction. Superman advances to the next round. Oops, not envelope crew. Yes. Excellent Destruction did not make it. Bounty Hunter and Grave Digger. Grave Digger won. Bounty Hunter did not. Next up is, well, this is weird. Team Hot Wheels against Superman. How about that? Superman wins. Okay. The ones that won are, next round is who won is Incredible Hulk and Backwards Bob. The Incredible Hulk wins. Next up is Captain's Curse and the Grave Digger. Grave Digger 1, Captain Curse is out. Now 3 against Hulk. Hulk wins. So these Grave Digger and Superman will go next. Ooh, Superman loses. He's just out of the game. Hulk wins. He's the champion. Okay, and I'll show you all the line of colors there is. Hulk, the Incredible Hulk. Grave Digger. Bounty Hunter. Superman. Captain's Curse. Backwards Blob. Team's Hot Wheels. Grave Digger. Number 3. That's all I have for you today. Oh, here is the crew, safety crew, ambulance, fire truck. Everybody was safe, and here is the overall winner. Thanks for watching, and tell me if I have anything wrong on here.